If you're on someone's property, either as a guest in some sort of private residence or as a customer in a business, the owner of that property owes you a duty to keep it reasonably safe from hazards. And if there are hazards, they owe you a duty to warn you about them. If they don't, and you're injured, you may have a premise liability claim. Now, I know you've heard of the typical, someone's in the grocery store, they slip up over some jelly, they get injured. That is the most well-known type of premise liability claim, but there's so many more, such as, let's say you're in a bar or a nightclub of some type, a fight breaks out, and something security could have or should have done could have prevented someone from getting harmed. That's an example of a premise liability claim. If you're on someone's property, they have a bad dog, that dog attacks someone and causes them injuries, that's an example of a premise liability claim. If some mechanic comes in, does bad maintenance and creates a hazard that someone else later gets hurt by, that's another example of a premise liability claim. In short, if you're on someone's property and you're injured at no fault of your own, give us a call, 803-900-9000, and we will do our best to protect your rights using the South Carolina law.